The internal test consists of 6 parts: short answer questions, multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, match the following, assertion and reason, and syllogism. You have 90 minutes to complete it. This section is straightforward. For example, which of the following is a measure of central tendency? The answer is mean. Another question, probability of drawing a king from a deck of cards? The answer is 1/13. Here are some examples. Measures of central tendency summarize a data set. A normal distribution has mean, median, and mode equal. The additive law of probability applies to mutually exclusive events. Match concepts with applications. Measures of skewness with symmetry of distribution. Role of statistics with decision-making in business, and Poisson distribution with probability of rare events. Consider this. Assertion. Sampling reduces costs and time. Reason. Sampling guarantees 100% accuracy. The assertion is correct, but the reason is incorrect. Sampling saves time and money but doesn't ensure perfect accuracy. Here's a sample syllogism. Measures of central tendency are used in business. Mean and median are examples. Conclusion. Only some measures are unrelated. Only this conclusion is correct.